Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to lose weight and get in shape from the comfort of your own home, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but effective workout routine that'll help you burn fat, tone your muscles, and get you feeling great. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fitness content. All right, let's dive right into the workout. This routine is designed to be quick, effective, and perfect for any fitness level. No equipment needed, just your body and some determination. Let's get started. First, we'll begin with jumping jacks. This is a great cardio move that gets your heart rate up and starts warming up your body. Let's do this for 1 minute. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart and jump while spreading your legs and arms out. Keep moving and push through. Next, we have bodyweight squats. Squats are amazing for toning your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair, and push through your heels to stand back up. We'll do 15 reps. Make sure to keep your back straight and chest up. Now, let's move on to mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and bring one knee toward your chest. Then quickly switch legs as if you're climbing. We'll do this for 1 minute. This move is awesome for your core and will get your heart pumping. After that, let's do lunges. Step forward into a lunge and then push yourself back to the starting position. Alternate legs for 10 reps per side. Lunges are great for your thighs, glutes, and hamstrings. Finally, let's finish with plank. Get into a plank position and hold for 30 seconds. This is an amazing core strengthening exercise that also works your shoulders and back. And that's it! You've completed a full-body workout for weight loss in just a few minutes. Remember, consistency is key, so try to do this routine 3 to 4 times a week for the best results. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more workouts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.